Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nzula with an H, Nzula Munyao. And in today's video, I'm in the village. I want to show you our morning routine in the village. Right now, this is our goat house. And right now, it's time for them to be taken to graze. So let me just show you. Ngoi, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes. Masaa imefika ya kupeleka watu wakakule. Kwani washajifunganisha? So Ngoi had, normally they don't sleep with the ropes on. He had just placed them in the morning, lakini washajifunganisha already. Na huyu baba yao kwa nini analeta shida? Anataka aje? Anashinda hivyo. Na ni mkubwa. So guys, these are our goats, my mom's goats, and this is the daily morning routine. Kai bongo yako je kali liara. Kanya noni? No sene katalu.
Katalu ndise katalu.
Tabende baba nini badambwe. Nikenda jotungia nyu. Nengone yenda kitari na ndane sauka. Nini na mukuni yayo na mutumia message. I'm saying this one goat has, like you have seen, it has a wound that needs to be cleaned and to be, I don't know what. I called the veterinary yesterday, and because of network issues we couldn't understand each other, but I sent him a message and he's supposed to be coming either yesterday or today. So we're expecting him because it's really hurting and it's just a small goat. Si kubwa idhile. Ngutete si kumanya. Oh. So guys, we want to take them to graze. They graze just up here in the farm. My mom has quite like a big farm that she has set aside for the grazing of her livestock. So this one is the injured one. It really needs to see a veterinary. So this is the morning routine in the village. We're in the villages of Africa. Nini? Huh? Yes. Say hi to my viewers. Say hi. Huh? Tunaweza enda? Wacha nipate hapa nje. Sasa ni kukimbia, ni marathon. Twende. So they are released in batches because they are quite a lot. So what we go running because they are notorious. They eat the nzoo. So we have to go running. We go running. You see, they are already eating nzoo. So we are going to tie them up there. Yeah, it's a marathon. And then now he will come back for the second batch. Wanataka kwenda huko juu, Scooby? Scooby? That's our dog. Our small dog. Oh God. So this is also harvesting season right here in Ukambani. They were harvesting maize and some nzoo. I'll show you the nzoo plant, you see it. Ooh. I'm so unfit. I'm already panting. Oh, let me show you nzoo. So this is nzoo. This is it. This is what we harvest. So we have already harvested the first batch, and then once it dries, you can harvest, and you can also make a meal of it while it's not yet dry. It's also really good. Yeah. So this is the part of the farm where my mom has left for the goats. but they have to be tied. They are very notorious. Ama they can just go to the neighbor's shamba, which is here. So this is it. Omonde we mo baba kana wanda mambo ya mabya. Oh. Oh, iketi kela. Oh. Oh. Kaya kinani unachoa kitaula? Oh. Oh. So he's telling me, because I was thinking he's going to tie them here, he's telling me they are actually feeding on this trees fallings, some little things called ola. Let me show you. Goats love these things. They are called ola in Kamba. I don't know what they are called in any other language. Goats love these things. You see how they are wametulia, they are feeding on ola. So he's telling me once they are done feeding on ola for a little bit, he's now taking them to the far end of the shamba where he's going to tie them, and then he goes back for the next batch. I want to help him tie. Yeah. Wow, this is nice. And we have a couple of ulas, mola tree. You see that one there? That big tree. Let me zoom it for you. This big tree here. That's ula. And they are healthy. They are healthy. So let's talk them. Goat farming in the villages of Ukambani. This is Ukambani, guys, Machakos County. We have 3 Kamba counties in Kenya. We have Machakos, we have Kitui, and we have Makueni. So I belong in Machakos County. There's a project that's going on here that I will show you in another vlog. Yeah. So let's go tie these goats. Like I had stated earlier, this tree here is called Kilongoyo. It's used as a broom. It's a really nice broom. If you have seen Paul sweeping, the other guy, he uses this Kilongoyo, and goats also love it. They feed on it. Yeah, goats eat shrubs and a little bit of grasses. So acha tufunge hawa sasa. Masani ya kuwafunga. Let me take this brown one. Ndi tukanda tuko tukube. No tukakita makwatanya. Oh, kuka bao size yesu je sawa. Oh. Na siombo iniwe siesi agwelinga. So I'm asking him about the ropes. Are they short? And then he's telling me it's the correct size, because goats, they tie themselves. You can just come and find it has gone in circles. So the rope is good size for them. That's our little goat. I think right now kako kama 1 month. Kabuli katena kaka na miezi ana. Ayena kukaiviketie 3. Ele utiwa? So he's telling me the small goat is like 2 months old. So I want to get one. I tie it. I don't know, I'm still going to record with because wako na nguvu with one hand. Yeah. I don't know how I'm going to record with one hand. I feel like the one with kaya ke bongo ila simokobe. Dukakobe. I'm saying, yeah, I'm saying that goat should not be tied like the rest, because now you've seen it. One leg is not okay. It has a wound, so it's not okay. Let me get this one. Mfunge mahali. Kuja hapa wewe. Come here you. Where are you running to? Let me go tie this one. Ama nimtie tu hapa. Mnapigania nini? Ngoi kani wa baba? Nukare. Kana nikobe oba? Onge no mo bete. You only more baba. Trying to tie this one. The mother is here, so he's telling me not to tie them so close so that they don't their ropes don't. I'm going to tie it to Nene. Kana nikobe ya bam muteni o. To tie it. No sija. Nikobe ya ba. Kebe oba kube na inya ke. I'm saying I tie it here. It's near to the mother. So I've tied it there. It's unaona ashaanza kujifanya. Si utajivunja mguu. It's going for those sleeves. So that's why I've tied it. That one is not going to be tied. This one is here and the mother is kwa dhamia inya. Konese. Oh. Pana kwa baba no dui. So I'm saying where I've tied it, they are actually, it's on the shed and they are these two leaves that they really like. They are called udoi. So these are the rest of the goats. The small one there, it just excites me. Kana kwanga kamejikaza, kana kula matawi. Yeah, so where are the rest? So let me get another one. I hope my tie is strong enough so that they don't go to the neighbors. Wakuyo na ndingi. Ndingi. These are called ndingi. If they get in your pants, you will know you don't know. Me, I don't want to tie the big one. I fear it. Let me get another one. I can get this brown one. Ama washafungwa. Kani o baba? No be nike pa kilongo yo nike ya. Okay. I've been told to tie it here so that it can kilongoyo. Nonya kilongoyo ko niki kwata. I'm telling him I don't interact with this plant because I'll be itchy the whole day. Let me tie it somewhere else. Ngoiwe. Niko ngwata kilongoyo. Ndikwata kilongoyo kana no be baya. I've given him to tie it because I don't the kilongoyo really makes me itchy the whole day. I'll be itchy and then get some swellings that looks like pimples. Kaka nini koke sema ndi hata. Kasonga. We're just saying the small one is really independent, just moves freely. The mother is up there, but it's just moving freely, feeding on its own, and it's amazing. Nature is just amazing. Guys, remember the other time we were with Mom and we went for some community welfare? It was the other side, that side of the other village, where you see those trees, those green trees there, and it's very far. No, I mean, no, but on there. Ile. Usunde ondo. Oh. Nendo sio we ilunga Twese ni la siamboi. Ilunga nwese di maundu maingi balaya inama. We the sio ila wambe ya dia We ne lunga. Di la siamboi ne samuno. Ne control ya. Kuba mai leather mai ta kuya. Aya. Lakini bandio na bana kaudhuwe kau. So guys, we are done. He's going to get the second batch of the goats. They are over 20, so he can't like 20 goats at a go. Johnny not okay there. He can't like untie 20 goats at a go. So he takes half. But very soon we will stop tying them and just like grazing them freely, like just looking after them graze. These are some firewood. We'll be coming to get some later when my sister will be recording for me. Mukito kesi akana nesa. We akana tameso. Kikesi akana nesa mono. Nesa pio. So we are going back to the homestead and just continue with the morning village routine. Yeah, so guys, this is where I'm going to end. I wanted to share with you our morning routine, one of our morning routine in the village, and one of them was the goats. Sometimes, especially on Wednesdays, the morning routine is different for the goats because that's the day they are sprayed because of lice and ticks. So they are sprayed every morning on Wednesdays, and also their house gets sprayed with some disinfectant, and also it's the same day that also our dogs get dipped in the same disinfectant also because of ticks and everything. So that is where I'm going to end today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching, for keeping it in my channel. We are road to 1,000 subscribers, and I know because you're subscribing and you're sharing this video, we are going to get there. See you on the next one. Bye.